Hi everyone, Peter12 here, and today I'll be drawing a drawing suggested by a comment saying to draw their OC. Now, it may seem hard because she has a FNAF character that is a fox. I know FNAF, but it's gonna be a little bit difficult because I never tried to do that before, but might as well give it a shot. No, that looks very wrong. So how are we gonna make this one? You might think. Well, I'm gonna make it like this. To make it the bottom jaw, now I'm gonna draw the top part. So let's start off like this, and then like that. In the comment, she said that it was going to be a little hard because I remember seeing that from Five Nights at Freddy's. It was supposed to be a cutscene of an anime. I don't know. It was kind of hilarious when I saw it first, and I was like watching the previews and stuff. That does not look good. Oh no, this looks really wrong, bad. Hang on, let me start off new. So it has a bottom jaw, then it has the upper jaw. No. Oh my god. No. It's gonna take a little while to get this finished. Oh no. That does not look good. This might take a while because I've never tried to draw that specific in anything I've done. You know what, let's try it with an eclipse first. Oh, hang on. Let's do that again. This time a little bit bigger. There. That looks good so far. Now I'm gonna draw its snout. You can just fill that in right now. There you go. Looks good so far. I'm kind of thinking this one's gonna work out. There. Now we have its snout. Now let's get ready to add the mouth and the little teeth popping up, because why not? Here we have his eye patch. There you go. Now time to fill it in with black, because we can finish that already. Now that we got the head going on, let's put its fur. Yeah, its fur. There. No, a little bit closer, and there you go. Looks good. I believe he has a little part up here. Yeah. Yeah. When you first see it right here up close, it looks good, but whenever you just zoom out, you can just see like a freaking hedgehog with wrong haircut today. Let's try to do the hair one more time. Let's get that away, and let's try to do the eclipse again, just to like make it again. There you go. Oh well. Well, I can change that, I guess. Get this off. There. Now, let's try to do the hair again. Actually, let's get started with the ears, because I haven't got started with those. Bam! The 2 ears. No, let's start with this. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's get ready to start drawing the animatronic body. There, we have his neck. Let's zoom in a little. So Foxy's a robot, so it should have like metally stuff. So like let's get Let's give him his body start. There we go. Now, for starters, his OC, in the actual Foxy, he doesn't have a broken chest or anything like that in his suit. But, in this case, her OC doesn't have any scratches or anything. Here we have its fur popping out. There we go. Now, let's get ready to draw the arms. And almost there. Bam! I couldn't draw the hand. Oh well. I guess I'll have to do with the hook since Foxy has a hook. And there. Now it's time to draw his hand. I don't know why, but he has a hook instead. Oh no, this is not going good. Oh god. I'm gonna have to make the arms a little much smaller. So let's start from square one. I'm sorry if this is taking a long time. I'm just trying to make this good since I really appreciate that you guys comment on my videos on what should I draw next. And yes, this goes good. Yeah, I finally got one arm ready with its hook, and now I just need the other arm. Nope. There we go. Now it's time to draw its other hand. Oh god, that doesn't look good. Nope. I'm gonna have to make it extra small. There. And there goes one finger. I'm not sure if Foxy has 5 fingers or 4 fingers because I know this theory where Springtrap actually has 5 fingers and the other animatronics has 4 fingers. Which I think that makes sense since Springtrap is purple guy. Well, not 100% sure. Watch game theory if you want to know. There we go. Now we have his arms. Now we just need to draw its pants. I don't see that much detail on it. But there we go. We got our Foxy. Now I'm just going to color it. Oh no. It's all background. Oh, okay. I see the problem. There's a little gap in there that doesn't want to close it. There you go. Now to paint it in. Oh, come on. What's now? There's open edges everywhere. No, the wrong color. Nope. That's not what I wanted. Darn it. It's all connected, I see. I see the problem is just that it's all connected. The little endoskeleton, which is inside of the costume, is connected to the outside. Oh no, that's too big. There we go. There you go. Now I'll be able to easily be coloring it. Bam, bam, bam. Bada boom, bang, pow. There we go. Now we have his red fur. Now start drawing his pants. Now the time is hook. And it's endoskeleton. Oh, come on. This again. There. I got the feeling that I'm missing something. No, hold on. There, now that covers it, we can just, I want it white in the background. There you go, that looks better. Now time to shade in the endoskeleton. There you go. Now I think I got this. No. Every time I say that we got this, it's more likely I just need to fix lots of things, like open gaps. There. 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 No. There. There. Darn it. There, and I keep pressing the line that connects everything. There. Now it's time to color in the fingers. Let's make the fingernails black because I don't really know that much about Foxy's fur. Let's give it this tone. Bam, bam, and there we go. I forgot what color of the eye is, so let's just make it green. I like green. It's my second favorite color. Man, okay, there we go. We have our Foxy here, and I'm not sure if the guy that commented down on this will like it, because one, it doesn't really look how he asked. But oh well, I tried. I'm sorry if it didn't came out as you liked it, and I gave it my best shot. And thank you all for watching. Comment down below, what do you want me to draw next? It could be anything, I guess, as long as it doesn't go that wrong or too difficult. You already saw me how I did the fox. Oh well, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.